On Friday, U.S. Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin held a meeting with Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky along with several other U.S. military officials, where they spoke about the ongoing war with Russia and how the U.S. and other Western allies will help Kyiv with additional military assistance. With help from several European companies, the United States is working with Ukraine to design and build a substitute for the S-300 surface-to-air missile system and the R-27 air-to-air missile, Austin said in his opening remarks at the meeting. The meeting, which was held at the Ramstein Air Base in Germany, was the first time Zelensky had visited the base. He encouraged the U.S. and allies to continue supplying new weapons to Ukraine. We need to have this long-range capability, not only on the divided territory of Ukraine, but also on the Russian territory, so that Russia is motivated to seek peace, Zelensky said. We need to make Russian cities and even Russian soldiers think about what they need, peace or Putin. Ukraine's assault in Kursk has led to the capture of around 1,300 kilometers